that will be a trespass, and then after that will be a subject for an arrest. So it's up to you.
Okay. All I'm doing is eating, man.
Yeah, man, but you don't belong here though.
I don't belong
This is
here.
private property. This is not public.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I'm not arguing with you on that. Just said all I was doing was eating. So I said I wouldn't bother nobody.
Well, you could go to a public area and eat whatever you want to eat.
I wasn't hurting anybody. I wasn't hurting myself.
Well, you need to understand it is private property.
So what I'm saying is I'm all I was doing was eating. So that's it.
On the chair, right there.
That's it, okay? What's that?
No, right here. Second chair. That right there, right in front of you.
In here, doing drugs or damaging the place. I apologize if I was bothering you or hurting you in any way. Okay. Sorry if I was on the property illegally. I didn't break into anything. I didn't hurt anybody.
Well, basically, you being in here, that's considered like breaking in because you're trespassing.
I'm not hurting anybody. And you see that I'm not hurting anybody. I'm sitting.
You need to look someplace else where to go, brother. This is not the spot. This was locked, right?
Huh?
This was locked right here? So the pool was locked? Yeah, so basically he jumped.
I didn't jump nothing. You can walk right in this place.
Yeah, but
the gate's open over there.
yeah,
Your gate is wide open coming in and out of here. Your gate is open.
it's supposed to be, you don't supposed to be here, but that gate's supposed to be
That
open.
gate is wide open that
I
goes in
know.
and
Alright.
out. That doesn't shut.
I know.
Okay.
Alright, sir. Just get your stuff and let's start walking out.
What's really funny is I'm the only one y'all ever come after. I don't see anybody else. I see all kinds of people coming down here. Well, it doesn't matter after them. I'm sitting at the pool, minding my own business. Seems like I'm the one that gets pushed out of here. Minding my own business. I'm not defecating on anything either.
Well, when you're in a private property that you know that you don't belong, that you've been kicked out already like 3 times, that becomes a problem.
The problem is that you guys just don't want nobody else here.
Well, people that don't belong here,
I can throw this away first.
people that don't belong here, yes, that's a problem.
Don't be crafty on that. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna throw my stuff away there first.